gonna be a good one today, baby. I can feel it.
This is the Esports Awards weekend, and in collaboration with the Golf Gaming Club, we're doing a Scramble event.
We're feeling good. It's cold out here, but we got a lot of people, a really good turnout, and we're excited to play some golf.
Cash money, baby. We're back. Let's go. Elements are awful. Mother Earth, overrated. Wind, I hate it.
Bro, that was sick until the wind hit it.
Playing well as a team, definitely playing well. We're battling the wind. It's super windy out here right now. Yeah, so far so good. So let's keep the momentum going.
Get it. Oh my God.
I'm gonna help this man with his golf swing, so no.
Please, dear God. I can't crank 90s either. I can't even help you in Fortnite. Let's go, Matthew. Great work, everybody. Wow, what a team.